Today is the day I upgrade my PC completely. I've had these components, this PC, for about like 4 years or so, and they did hold up really well, but the time has arrived. I have this old dated motherboard, so I have this new motherboard to replace this one. Oh my god. My new GPU, the 4060, and I have here, of course, my new processor, 5700X. So let's get our hands working. So now, this is where our next processor is gonna be. Out. All these cables, our M2. How many screws are there? I think I got them all. Yeah. I got all of them with my yourself as well. Here we have our new motherboard. There's the RAM. Now our super processor. There's the CPU, the RAM. Here's the M2. Hey, so quick update. I actually bought another RAM. Now it makes it 32 gigabytes of RAM. And also I got this new monitor, which replaced my old monitor that had a line full of burn pixels. And I have to say it, the heat that I got from gaming sessions, it's super high. So I think I will get anytime soon a new fan for the CPU. So yeah, stay tuned and see you in the next one. Bye guys.